Today we are going to discuss about chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry Definitions. So Euclid given some definitions. We are having 7 definitions. One by one we will discuss each definition. So observe carefully. And what about the Euclid? Euclid was a teacher of mathematics. What? Euclid was a teacher of mathematics at Alexandria in Egypt and popularly known as father of geometry. Euclid is what? Father of geometry. Clear? And given some definitions. So, first definition is what? A point is that which has no part. There are some definitions of Euclid's. First one is what? A point is that which has no parts, no components. Point is having no component. Euclid said what? A point is that which has no part. Point, this is the point, clear? But this one is having no part, no component. So this one is the Euclid first definition, clear? Now next one, a line is breathless length. Line is, this is the line. It is having, line having length but not having breadth. So Euclid given a line is breathless. It is not having breadth, only length. Line is having only length, no breadth. This is the second definition of Euclid. Now third one, the ends of a line are points. This is the line. This is a line. Its end points are what? Ends. Its ends are what? The ends of a line are point. Line having ending and they are called what? Points. Clear? Now fourth one, a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. We are having points and one line lies on these points. What? We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 points and one line is passing from these points and then we are getting what? A straight line. What about this one? Fourth one, a straight line is a line. Straight line is what? Line which lies evenly with the points on itself. We are having points and we are joining these points. One line is passing from these points, then we are getting what? A straight line. This is the meaning. Now next one, a surface is that which has length and breadth only. Surface having length and breadth. Observe this one. I am having this notebook. This notebook having, fifth one, a surface is that which has length and breadth only. This is the surface. This is the notebook and it is having, this one is what? Surface. And this surface having length and breadth. So what we can say? A surface is that which has length and breadth only. So this is surface and it is having length and breadth. Clear? So this is the best example. Now next one is what? Sixth one, the edges of a surface are lines. This is the surface. This is what? Surface having length and breadth. Clear? The surface having length and breadth. And next definition is what? The edges of a surface are line. This is the surface, its edges. This one, this one, this one, and this one. There are 4 edges, and these edges are what? Lines. These edges are what? Lines. And last definition is what? A plane surface. Observe this one. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. Observe, this is the plane surface. This is the plane surface, and this one is the length, and this one is the breadth, and these are edges, and edges are what? Lines. And next one, a plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines. Surface which lies. This surface lies in a straight lines. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. This is the plane surface, and this surface lies in a straight line. Lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. This surface is lying in a straight lines. So this is the meaning. Clear? So observe, simple. We are having these definitions given by Euclid's. 7 definitions are in our syllabus. First one, point is that which has no part, no component, given by Euclid. Line is breadthless length, line having only what? Length, no breadth. The ends of a line are points. Ends of lines are points. Then that one is what? Line segment. And once we are having end points of a line, we are having lines and it is having end points, then we are getting what? Line segment. And any line having no end point, then this one is called what? This is what? Line. This one, line having end point, that is called line segment. Line having, this is the line segment. Line segment having end points, but both sides we can produce infinitely. Then this one is what? Line. This is the line, and line segment having end points, but ray is having only one point, and one side we can produce infinitely. Clear? This is the ray, this is the line segment, and this one is what? Line. Clear? Line segment, this is having end point, it means we are having fixed length. So the ends of a line are points. Ends of a line is what? Points. Clear? A straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. We are having points. One line is passing from these points, then we are getting what? A straight line. This is the meaning. Clear? Next one, a surface is that which has length and breadth. Any surface having length and breadth. Clear? The edges of the surface, edges of that surface is surface are lines. The edges of surface are what? Lines. Clear? And next one, a plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. Straight lines on itself. Plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines. Any surface, observe again, this is the surface, this is the plane surface. Its length, it is having length and breadth. It is having length and breadth. These edges are what? These edges of the surface are what? Lines. These are what? Lines. And last one, a plane surface is surface which lies evenly with the straight lines. This surface lies in a straight lines. These are straight lines. This surface is lying in these lines. This is the meaning. Clear? So now next one, undefined terms. One terms we are having undefined terms are having no definitions. We are having some terms like point, line, plane or plane surface, plane or plane surface. These terms are having no definition, and those terms which are having no definitions are called undefined terms. Clear? Euclid use these terms, but they are having what? They are not accepted by mathematician or in our mathematics. So they are called what? Undefined terms. Clear? So simple topic. I hope you understand this one. That's all about this topic. Thank you so much.